A San Francisco Superior Court judge heard arguments today on two separate bids for preliminary injunctions blocking accreditation for San Francisco's community college, CCSF. The two injunction requests were submitted by the city attorney, Dennis Herrera, and by the California Federation of Teachers and its affiliate. A preliminary injunction would remain in effect until a full trial were held on the claims. Robert Bezemec, an attorney representing the California Federation of Teachers and the City College Teachers Union, the American Federation of Teachers Local 2121, said there's an urgent need for an injunction to help save San Francisco City College.
An injunction's important right now, and the reason it's important is that people are bailing out, and they know that there's a disaccreditation date of July 2014, and an injunction will give them hope, because an injunction will only issue if the court finds that we are likely to prevail on the merits. If we prevail on the merits, then there would be a redo. They would start with a fair evaluation team with fair standards. That didn't happen. It would return the situation to show cause status. It would end the disaccreditation date. Ideally, it would give a new review to City College.
Enrollment has dropped by 30% since last spring when the Accrediting Commission said the community college would have to close in July of 2014. But the Accrediting Commission argued in court today the college had had a steady decline of enrollment since 2009, and the cause could be any of several factors, including increases in tuition and fees and reductions in state funding. Philip Ward, the attorney for the commission, said the lawsuits are full of innuendo and conspiracy and are a violation of First Amendment free speech rights. Joshua Pechthalt is president of the California Federation of Teachers. He rejected that argument.
They filed a countersuit against us claiming that we've abridged the First Amendment rights. And that's what the first part of that the court hearing was about today. And I thought our attorney made clear that we're not abridging their rights to say whatever they want. Our claim against them is based on their evaluation of City College of San Francisco. We want the judge to set aside the disaccreditation, create a review panel that meets the standard that the U.S. Department of Education laid out with a real peer review panel, and come back and reassess the college. That's what we want.
Wendy Kaufmyn is an engineering instructor at CCSF and a leader in the fight against the Accrediting Commission. She said she's hopeful of a successful court outcome.
I think that there's great harm that will be done by having the threat of our accreditation being revoked in July 31st, 2014. If the court grants the injunction to stop that, I think that students will feel a lot more comfortable registering for classes, and that's really where the harm is being done, is through the enrollment, the lack of enrollment. City College is open and accredited, and I think that we will continue to be that way for decades. And I encourage everybody to enroll in classes at a school that offers high-quality education.
San Francisco City College has about 85,000 students and is one of the largest community colleges in the nation. The Federal Education Department told the Accrediting Commission earlier this fall it was out of compliance with federal rules and had 12 months to fix the problems. The federal criticism did not extend to limiting the Accrediting Commission's powers.